Good people, welcome back. So today we are preparing rice, but this rice we will be preparing with only our tomatoes. So here I have 3 large tomatoes, as you can see them. I have used 2 medium-sized onions. I will be going on with this Royco cube, and here is my rice. 1 kg of pishori rice, freshly washed. So let's get into our cooking. And kindly, if you haven't subscribed, please support this girl by hitting that subscription button down below. It costs you nothing, so please support me. So here we will light up our fire. Place our sufuria there. As you can see, it has a little bit of some water, so I will leave it to dry up. Then go in with my onion. Here I will add enough oil. So we will cook. English is a bit hard. We will cook our onion till it's golden brown. Then I will go in with my tomato. That's later. Our onion has started to change its color. It's now turning to golden brown. So time to go in with our red buddies, the tomatoes. Add about tablespoon of salt. So I'm going to add these 2. Cover it. We will then cover and let our buddies there to cook well. So let's check if our tomatoes are ready. And here, as you can see, they are all ready. So at this time, you can either choose to add your water, let it boil, or pour in your rice, stir it thoroughly, add water and let it cook. So today, I will just go in with my rice first. There. Then stir it vizuri. Just combine it well with your tomatoes, the rest of the ingredients that you have cooked. So now our rice was 1 kg, so I will go in with 4 cups of water. My rice was 2 cups of this, so I will go in with 4 cups of water. And so again, stir it well. So we will not be covering this. We will let it to cook under medium heat. So when the water levels has reduced a little bit, that's when we will cover our rice. As you can see, our rice has dried up, so I will cover it up using this foil. Cover it well and wait all the water to dry up like that. So here our rice is ready. As you can see, it didn't do much well as I expected. I guess I used a lot of rice and the tomatoes didn't do well as I expected. But all in all, here is the end results. So I will serve it out and I will enjoy. This is a quick lunch, mostly if you have kids at home. You just prepare this and give it out to them. I promise you, it tastes better than the way it's looking. Don't mind my kid. I have my kid here. She's helping me out. So boom, here is the end results. As you can see, it's not that bad. You can prepare this for your kids. Yeah, thank you guys for watching this video till the end. Hit that subscription button if you haven't. So let's meet on the next video.